Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Dodge Ram and this car have a problem. B007A sorry, this one B007F passenger seatbelt retractor pretensioner. I will show you today passenger seatbelt retractor pretensioner location. Okay, fault code B007F retractor pretensioner. See, this is passenger seat belt. I remove already pretensioner seat belt cover, and here, one second, here this one for retractor pretensioner wire anywhere before remove this one. This is retractor pretensioner, okay, or this is load limiter. This is retractor pretensioner, okay.